Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit, and in this video, we're going to be exploring the H-Stack component. This is a simple yet versatile tool that makes it effortless to arrange components inside of a horizontal row. While you could achieve this by using a standard view component and setting its flex direction to row, this component saves you time by handling all that setup for you. Let's take a closer look. To add the H-Stack component, head over to the component picker, then you search for H-Stack. Click Add, and now what we're going to do, we're going to add a text, an image, and a button. And notice how they are laid out side by side, creating a clean and organized horizontal alignment, perfect for building navigation bars, button groups, or any row-based layout. So usually when you add these components inside a view, they are stacked in a vertical axis. But by using the H-Stack component, we now have a horizontal row. And we also have access to some styles. We can add a gap, for example, if we want a gap in between the different components. And you see we have a gap in between the components. We can also align the content. We can also change the background color and as well as the width, height, and other properties. Now let's take a look at the configurations. Let's head over to the configurations tab. And for this, we just have the component name. By default, it's H-Stack, but you can rename it to something more meaningful based on whatever you're trying to do. And that's it for the H-Stack component. So that was a quick and easy way to create horizontal layouts inside Draftbit. It's perfect for designing rows of buttons, navigation bars, or any component arrangement where horizontal alignment is key. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.